Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Thanks for always making time to visit our channel to watch and learn what we also have to offer you. Today, the herb of interest is the bitter leaves. We have a lot of herbs that we want to talk about, but we are interested in the bitter leaf today because there are a lot of people battling asthma and we want to help them out with the bitter leaves. That is why we have traveled all the way to visit the bitter leaf tree, so you can see us standing by it now. The scientific name for the bitter leaf is the Vernonia amygdalina. It is known to treat kidney problems, dysentery, diarrhea, diabetes, and others. But today we want to learn how to use it to treat asthma. In our next video, we shall talk about how to use the bitter leaves to treat diabetes. So please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so that you also learn how to use the bitter leaf to treat diabetes. Please, if you have a friend or relative or you yourself, you are battling asthma, kindly get some bitter leaves, wash it nicely, grind it, add water. Now you sieve it to remove the impurities from it. You transfer it into a container that has a good lid, and then you store it in a refrigerator. Every morning and evening after eating, you take a small disposable cup, you fill the cup to half. You not fill it to full, but you just fill it to the half of it. Then you get a lime, you cut the lime into two. You remove the seeds from the lime. Then you squeeze the lime juice into the bitter leaves juice in the disposable cup. Our lovely people, please kindly note the following for us. Please don't add the lime juice to the big container that you have prepared and then you have kept in the fridge. No, but add the lime juice to the small bitter leaf juice that you have put in the disposable cup and you are about to take. So it means that each time you want to take, you just cut a new lime and then you squeeze into what you want to take wholly. Please, there is also a difference between lime and then lemon. What we are talking about here is the lime. The lime is the smaller one that you know, what people call small orange. So please kindly take note of that. Don't go and use lemon. And then also, you are doing this treatment for 3 weeks. So after every week, grind new bitter leaf to get new juice. Even if you still have the old juice in the fridge, you throw that one away. And then also, this remedy is good for both children and then adults. But for children, what you do is that you fill the disposable cup to quarter, not half like the way you give it to adults. Please kindly note that one. Then the children too, you still add the lime. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe so that you also learn how to use bitter leaf to treat diabetes in our next video. We have a lot of herbs that we want to talk about. So please, we are begging you, kindly subscribe so that you also learn. Bye.